Also aton obadachi amadokun 5 cedis into aton madachi also wenu wa brese tam nanse mu bi school nanse ye wa boka say kenke boy din adua
mame ma wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frame adwoa searching ebusuafo papa yo ka say kire say ndc for adada ye na Ghana fo so ya fall for it ena ya to yemba dachi e de akoto akwaje dokun na yemba dachi na ye to ne kra ye de kwaje dokun ye ye ase dokun na ye kwaje ye no ti se dokun ne prices na shoot yentumi ento brode bayre nto osi wokuru mi hawo just 3 months ni e bom pai se nsunto aye se nsu anto de ndc fo yene mu nko ne yie wo Ghana ha de yene mu ba yene mu pe because ye wa ha ena mo communicators etumi tambro de banchi akoko yi na kotena radio so can you imagine in this time of era ya ye wo mi ewiasi wo mi utumi tam akoko kotena damn ekoye campaign sa akoko ne boa yede na mo ba mo ni brode ne bonne den ye se ye ka se ye de brode ba radio so be campaign and this for enche na mo resign yenti nse papa pe e de atuya
also aton obadachi amadokun 5 cedis into aton madachi also wenu wa brese tam nanse mu bi school nanse ye wa boka say kenke boy din aduane komene nchinam nti waton obadachi future investment onye obi no say me de me pese me hwe mana se de bi adachi nti mfakako ene bento me dada na se fatu aba wo se umpe na dokun boy din wonu hu se tam no se esi asube kana san ebu gogong ye chire ho gogong eno mbusa baba ko say ade na unko school so se ye da boarding house me so wa Ahimota me ma me so ne hwe nti omo se ye betua feeding fini we sent no so ntimi me ba adwuma akra tina obo shumeka ye se tuetue ska ma me so oni bi so wo te pankro no timetim tafudwom se dokon boy de minimum ye mi hu ye kakuma se achemfo na sande for de madwen ni fufu pa na mope enkran fo ka dokon boy de an se dokon boy de na ye nto aba so hu ye jawa ye so to ntoma o kente na egu bag mi no uyi koton an se wotumi atua ahwoba no WSS aduane Ghana fo bi ni maduane nti enra me ho madafo bi frame o se kan na yansian metua ska ba miensa o chale ka me nam se mi bi utimi frame na go mizu o ya meza eya zuzaze onso wonu se komo wanya bere e komo do ba no school onso wonu hu se tam aduane komene nchinam original se me my president because who Ghana for no aduro aduane nti waton be obadachi on waton de agi kenke 5 cedis se kenke boy din TMP nkoto aba so achemfo ne sandefo yen ma ne bosumeka no se wunim se ope house girl en ha ho ebibu enche bi ya ebibu se tam because o ma me no papa no e de kenke boy din ti o ma ton mo madachi de ma dokun kenke boy din aduane meye de mo pama me si me president of Ghana ha meye de mo pama mo dodo de Ghana ni pa na se wonya fufuo na wonya adwen ni favorite na wonya apetition aboase na waji ne bie na waji de sisi be din na ne girlfriend ne nchen eno a na Ghana ne hwehwe wonya pe yewu so hu wa bere papa aduane nti
ora se edun kati aka se mi kire yera Mahama se ansana oba betina konwa so no na oni ne wo ho ba se oba hwede state of the nation address papa yi be ma ya it was full of lamentations asante wo sunyen se bia na yeta supa ebubuobo brabo what you say papa ne bebo be na bebo abubuo
third one
e be twa adwaadwo ne me ensano no abubuo twa adwaadwo
lamentation murmuring
just enu ko no be ye ho adwuma
and complaints.
Adentina went to me and can't Ghana for say. Even within the first 3 months of his governance, a Kufuado now was an albino, a to the economy name, budget or to an audit home.
2016 budget or yet to honor most movie.
No worries, let us see.
But
I was saying for kind of creature Ghana for say, they say who say can say, I feel no man can say, I come with sick on the Bible to you. Not just say, then another giant, and I need it. Now, Nakufuado, Efra Kunyasono, at least within the last 8 years, it has never happened in any governance. Say 8 years, I've been between a completely, or best starting one completely about 36 different hospitals. It was handed over to you in the handing over notes. Other than the one can was he decided to do selective amnesia. The end of no person can because he just want to hit people's sentiments against Akufuado's government. But we are dying, posterity will judge every one of us. Definitely one day. Me say Ghana for be free Akufuado a chance on Ghana for free o man penny that Akufo. Obiko wejaw even in terms of health and nyama na do di ja wo nya asanketua drones no mani ade di ja wo nyina no was put me ko ka che say enka wa meto ana wa ma meto ade a wo ba ya watuma ya di abo Ghana for sesi a Ghana for osu the true state ni say wo ba be yi Ghana for mabru na wo promise o mo so mo ni adwuma ye no wo be yi nipa be sampim aduonu adi. And people are lamenting, they are crying in their homes. And no idea about baby. Princess Ora Akufuado amemo na enya. No so to me employ over 15,000 youths. Nasa obana be pamoma. What have you done? But you promised them to give them jobs. Mama somebody 24-hour economy. As Abraham too say parbles will bojani mo. Nasa oba fani patre. Because that is exactly what you promised. You told the good people of this country, it is a ocean. And penny Kasati said your Oman Memuda. Sinking fathers, the same clock or boss, so say I can't win the idea. It is not the only buffer the country has. The country has several buffer. Why did he choose to select only the sinking fund? Even though they are all canon, a cat buffers and all dear. Now, so she can't walk and yes, I them. Yes, I them. See, if you are no, I'm a more Ghana. Nasa and no no can have a catcher say, or be our buy, or better to acquire Hodua, Ghana, Bakosemu, over 12,000 kilometers worth of roads. 8 years, Nana don't go for a buying. I know the one can want him. She schools are ye jay. I think that the last year before so over 80 different schools were commissioned in this country all at a go.
Yeah.
I don't know one can want him. Hey, soon, and just said he's even crying more than because on one growth on our point almost a Siano. On that Muslim see a trial on go. I don't know, economy now say a bono. We are then yes, can I do Chia Sancrophonica. And see, and my young year won't set Ghana for Sebi and Chenny refrain Samson or no kind. We remember every single thing that he said. And see, oh my. Young can crunch Ghana for say, oh man, penny Ghana for an ye. Because the true state of the nation address, you know, Sankana or can ya, Sika and no did you hone. I walk as a bimpo, and I don't say so much no Makotia a coupons and
6 points. 6 points.
Where did he get that money from? Where did he get that money from? When you say can one of the coach, because this is the fourth tranche.
That's right.
Says can one know him. And I make us idea will buy a wire pan is where you go for the no within last 2 months. What you have 67 billion Ghana cedis from the treasury bill.
Domestic.
Oh, say they for parliament oh. E tomo for eche na boko. Yeah, je ne boko. I think say next week you can be 6 point something. So I'm going 6 point something million Ghana cedis. Cross and their Barbican. And for which penny betumi aka no kra kire ya. Obi nka se de nana do dan kwagu fa do jani nani nyina ye se ebe ka se bia na ba bi o ha chima because obi anim ne to ewiase nyina.